Hi, this is Nick Ziegler at ESU5. I'd like to share with you a tool. It's called breakyourownnews.com. It's a very quick way for you to create a headline news image. Looks pretty legitimate. It might be a good tool for you to work with your students or your students to work with to have a conversation around fake news. So for example, I can add an image. I've found an image of some chicken here. We'll pull an image of some chicken, and then we'll have the headline be, "Chicken makes you smarter." And the ticker might be, "Research proves that eating fried chicken makes you smarter." Right? And so when we talk about fake news, generally speaking, you have the title of the news being something that sounds ridiculous, but yet you might want the outcome, right? So in this case, chicken makes you smarter. Pretty quick and simple way to create some of these fake news headline images and engage your kids in a conversation around digital citizenship.